Thank you for buying the Wayne EEAUP 250 automatic utility pump or the Wayne RUP 160 utility pump. This pump can be used for many applications to remove standing water around the home. Periodic cleaning of this pump is required to maintain performance. This is the procedure to clean the pump and remove debris clogging some or all the discharge areas. Unplug the pump from the power supply before handling or performing any maintenance. Using a faucet or garden hose, rinse any debris that has accumulated from the bottom of the pump. On the bottom of the pump, remove the 4 base screws using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Remove the base from the pump, clean and rinse any debris from the base. The impeller plate can be removed after the base is removed. If it remains in the pump body, gently remove the impeller plate. You may need to push it out from the inside using the pump's discharge opening or pull the impeller plate using the opening on the pump. Clean and rinse any debris from the impeller plate. Rinse any debris from the impeller area. If there is debris caked onto the impeller area, you may soak the area in a bucket or tub of water, using a mild dish detergent and an old toothbrush to help remove debris. Periodically inspect the pump and continue to soak until the debris has loosened and you can fully clean. For the EEAUP 250, use a pen or paper clip to remove any buildup debris to clean the priming hole and air escape channel. Once all debris has been removed, reposition the impeller plate in the pump body so that the ribs are facing you. Reinstall the base and 4 screws. Use caution not to over-tighten or strip the screws or screw holes. To make sure the pump turns on and off, rinse any debris from the inside of the sensor housing. You may use a mild dish detergent and an old toothbrush to help remove debris. Now your pump is ready to be used.